Hey fellow gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a character in Destiny 2. To do so, you first need to launch your Destiny 2 game on your device, and once you do that, and once you're in the character screen, just hover your mouse on top of the character you want to delete. For example, I'm going to delete my hunter character, so I'm just going to hover my mouse on top of it, and as you can see, it says F to delete. Now press F, like so, and you'll be greeted with the screen right here. Just select the keys in order. It says A, F, D, and then right click. Once you hit that, you'll see this option called Confirm. Now press Confirm, like so. Just long press. And as you can see, the character is deleted. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention this in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host, Says. Happy gaming!